Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Make sure the iPhone is unlocked and backed up. Once done, open Settings and scroll to Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode depending on your model. You'll be asked to enter your current passcode. This verifies you own the device and prevents accidental removal. Make sure you have your Apple ID password handy in case iOS prompts for confirmation. This step prevents data loss and prepares the phone to accept the security change safely. Once you've entered the passcode screen, tap Turn Passcode Off and confirm by re-entering your passcode. You'll see warnings about removing this layer of protection. Read them because features like Apple Pay and Auto Fill will require reconfiguration. After confirmation, iOS disables the numeric or alphanumeric code. Make sure to test Unlock with the screen asleep and awake to confirm removal. If the device asks for your Apple ID, enter it to complete the change and sync settings across iCloud-enabled devices. Finish by testing device access and reviewing security settings. Re-enable Face ID or Touch ID if desired. If you can't enter the passcode because it's forgotten, you'll need to put the iPhone into recovery mode and restore it from a computer using Finder or iTunes. This erases the device, so backups are essential. One troubleshooting tip: if recovery mode fails, try a different cable or computer and confirm the latest iTunes/Finder version. Sometimes a software update.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.